hello mga kabangbang. Mic check, say hello. Hello. Then later we'll gotta sing I love you and you love me. Miss you, ice cream and more tea. We are now here in St. Robinson's Narrow. Beside, in which of the second across decos, we have here the Miss you and our baby. So excited! Siyempre po natin si Mommy from Sunday's birth, courtesy of their ribbons. Yes? Yeah, Princess Nona! Miss you, little double opening weekend. Free 1,000 ice cream! Ah! Pero since gabi na kami, as you can see, mabakal kita. What's for you? What do you want? Ice cream? Or milk tea? Ice cream! Ice cream! Let's buy ice cream! Come on. Of course, they have tubig, goodness, hot day, chill, tea, sweet treats, or baby! Ako gusto ko milk tea. Namiss ko na mag-milk tea. Oh, miss you! Ayo, may coffee man sila. Ano best seller niyo ng milk tea?
For the medium size, we have brown sugar for milk, and then for the large, for matches.
Triple top. Sige, triple topping milk tea. That's the best seller ice cream cone. Take a photo, 35 pesos. Wow! We're done taking pictures.
Ayaw kayo nakahapit kamo sa akong nga channel. Kung bago pa lang kamo diri, pindutang subscribe button, pati ka ang lingganay, kag hindi pagkalimtin. Ruby Inspired!